Eat a piece of pizza.
Wait, dude.
Is it hot?
Yes.
How hot is it?
I don't know, but enough for me to chug this water.
What kind of peppers that were on that pizza?
Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper and habanero pepper, jalapeno pepper.
Oh my gosh, what?
Flat iron peppercut.
I don't have any more.
Good job, Flat Iron Pepper Company.
I don't have any more water.
What?
I don't have any more water.
We'll refill that for you, man.
Here, drink mine.
Is it tequila?
No.
No.
Why would it be tequila? It's
You
water.
don't even have tequila here.
That's what he made it through on his first slice.
I'm not done yet.
Is the pizza good, though?
It's very good. But very spicy.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's worth it.
There you go. Here, thank you. I'll have mine back.
Current subscribers. 73.
Take another bite.
Take another bite? Okay.
Go for it.
I'm so scared though. I see a big chunk of black on there. So.
It's probably the green ones that are the spiciest. Or red. Honestly, the red are probably spiciest.
Oh wait, that's not the bite. This one right here. See all those peppers right in the middle? Alright. Oh yeah.
If we had milk, I'd have gave you milk, but
Just cools my mouth off.
that's right. And then the burn comes back.
Yeah.
Chew on the ice.
Yeah, you could just suck on a piece of ice. Chew on it a little bit.
Those cheese are going to fall out anyways.
Alright.
It's so good. Once it touches my lips, it's so good.
Oh man.
You gonna finish that piece for this video, or are you just gonna end it out here?
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna finish it.
You're gonna finish it. All right.
Traction. I'm just gonna go. Give me that.
Go for it.
Okay.
So you're getting to the crust now. The crust is not gonna have as much seasoning on it. Not as much as them first 3 bites did. They were in the middle of the pizza. Of course they're gonna have more. That's where all the sauce was. Oh yeah, it's starting to burn. Feel the burn.
Feel the burn.
No. No. No.
See, the crust is mostly just bread, so bread
It's so
is
spicy.
bread is good to help with the spicy though. Even though everybody missed your first few bites, I think they're all getting the full effect of what you're dealing with
Yep.
right now.
I don't know how those other people on YouTube, I don't know how, but they can just eat ghost peppers.
I have no idea. Some people just, Go.
They feel a lot like you're feeling right now.
Just go for it.
Yeah.
Suck it up.
Gone.
Gone.
All right.
And how's your mouth feel?
Ready for slice 2?
Yep.
Give me your plate.
Yep. Thank you.
Hunger beats heat.
Yep. Okay, we'll check on this.
Oh yeah.
There you
There
go.
you go.
What is it? Hold on.
It's the same thing you just ate. It's just round number 2.
Doesn't look that spicy.
Let
But
me-
I see the pepper.
Let me
on
get
there.
that first bit. Yeah, look at all them peppers on there.
I see
But they're
all.
good though. They really are
Yeah.
Oh,
good.
it's really good. It's
Ooh.
right at the limit of hot and awesome.
I got a big sausage end piece.
Dude, I want you to just smash that first big bite. Big. There you go.
Why Flatiron does not sell this in a store somewhere close?
know.
I mean,
Like, why is this not in Walmart or something?
I'm glad I found it on Reddit.
Flatiron Pepper Company, send us some more of that stuff. This is good.
Sponsor me.
By
Yeah.
all
Where
means.
sponsors at?
You sponsored me.
His dad wears 3X t-shirts.
Yep.
Send him a pizza oven.
My YouTube channel is Zach Penland. I got 73 subscribers. Ah, my gosh.
This is 100% real reaction to this pizza. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Don't forget your water's right there if you need it.
Oh yeah, I know.
Don't worry, you might run out. The tap. The
Yeah.
tap might not turn back on.
Oh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Round number 2.
Want some ranch for this one?
Nope. I don't like ranch.
Go for it, buddy.
It's so good though.
Well, and this slice isn't as hot as the last slice either, like temperature-wise.
Put it in there, fryer.
No.
It's hot enough, though. I promise you that.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, think about it. The air fryer would be perfect. You can get a slice of pizza, dude.
I bet. I tell you, the peppers, they opened my sinuses and got me right.
Oh, I can breathe really well right now.
I don't even know what to do.
Order.
Order.
All right, another bite.
My bird. I'm about to drink like a gallon of water after this.
You can have a whole second gallon if you want.
Yep. Okay. Oh. No, my sausage fell off. I've never had these kind of peppers before.
You know, we ought to put some of this on some of those chicken wings that we're going to smoke tonight.
I mean, you could pick one of the milder flavors.
Yeah. I mean, you know.
I had that
I
burrito.
know, like Amanda
Like
and
Scotch bonnet. I don't
I
know.
had that burrito.
Scotch bonnet is smoking hot. Like,
Yeah, but
Oh
that's,
my God.
that's since it's
I know,
hotter.
but for some reason, Scotch bonnet to me is hotter than a ghost pepper.
I got another
That's-
piece in there.
It's a Jamaican pepper, I think.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
It's the same stuff that I have in this other house.
The Scotch bonnet and mango, that goes really well.
That's awesome.
Yep.
TCU scored again. Go subscribe to my dad's channel. Down
Put a little bit
below.
of line on your pizza.
Yeah, you want to put some...
No.
We can roll with some of this.
It's a sweeter meat.
This was good, though. It was good. The pizza crust that I had on last night.
I should make some of this with ranch. Make like a hot
Oh,
ranch.
man. That sounds good. I took ranch and some of your moonshine hot sauce
Yeah.
and mixed it together. It's like a perfect buffalo.
That is a perfect buffalo
It is.
sauce.
Just like a... So,
Hey, YouTube. This is a perfect buffalo sauce.
absolutely. Go for it.
Yeah.
Yep. And this is the perfect reaction.
You're getting there.
Almost. About halfway through slice 2. My mouth still hurts. Especially the sides of my mouth right there.
Yeah.
Dude, we
That's
can
where
make
it was
some
burning my mouth.
barbecue chicken
Ah!
right at the end.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
At least a couple pieces, you know?
Yeah.
You would think this will make me feel a little warmer, but I'm actually cold.
Is your sinuses opened up?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Got 'em. Wow.
that's a nice one.
But I love the thin crust.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff's good on thin crust because you don't have so much bread.
Yeah.
Ah!
Because otherwise you just
Dude.
be sitting here chewing all the bread while you're trying to get the meat, you know?
I hate the burn right here.
Feel the burn.
Ow! Ah.
All I can say is with the amount of water you're drinking, make sure you wash your hands before you go to the bathroom. That way you don't get anything that's on your fingers, on your...
Don't rub your eyes either.
Yeah.
I've made that mistake.
Yeah, don't rub your eyes and wash your hands before you touch any part of your body when you go to the bathroom.
Make sure you soak.
Yes. You will regret it.
Ooh, the ice helps.
Yeah.
Where'd my water go?
You just drank it all, so Mike refilled it for you.
Ooh, man.
Oh, we got you into this. Might as well help you out a little bit.
You're at 13 minutes of video time.
Good, you want to get over that 10-minute threshold.
That's good enough for you.
Yeah, I mean, considering I'm not editing anything, yeah, go for it.
Well, if he ever gets enough subscribers, it's at 10 minutes you can add in a second advertisement.
Right.
So you can double up on the ads.
Yeah, clearly I have no idea how this YouTube thing works except for take the video and post it.
Yeah.
I watch enough that you pick me
Oh.
tips and tricks.
I
With
don't
the
know
amount of
how to-
YouTube that I watch, you'd think that I know how the whole process works, but I mean, I just watch
The only
videos.
reason why I know is because Linus talks about it. For, you know.
Oh, okay, I got you.
You
Well, I
watch
mean,
the
you
video.
hear DDE talk about all the time that they spend
them
editing
too, they
and
talk
everything.
About, like,
You
how
watch-
they do the business.
you watch
and
the videos?
YouTube works and
Right,
You watch the videos for what's in it, not how they make it.
correct.
Jay's 2 cents talks about it too, about how the business
Oh.
of being a YouTuber works.
Oh, that was a terrible bite.
You better hurry up and get that last one in then.
I'm sure there are other people that we don't watch.
Oh, for sure.
And then you have Whistling Diesel who just
Mm.
loves the haters.
Yeah.
Can't wait
Yeah,
for his
there's
gaudy.
There's got to be a YouTube channel where they show you really how the YouTube thing works.
They're dedicated.
Just like
people.
you got people who build cars, say like Taylor Ray. He builds cars and shows you step by step exactly how it's done
There are
and
definitely
what they
people
do.
who have YouTube channels. Epox. No, Epos Vox. EPOSVOX. Epos Vox. He does like YouTube hardware and how to use it for like streamers and stuff, right?
Oh, okay.
So he's not a streamer, but he tells you how to do all things streaming.
Right.
You know, and YouTube as well.
I could be a streamer.
Well, subscribe to that guy's channel, and apparently he teaches you how to do it.
Yeah. You do some work, you get a new computer, then you can stream Fortnite on YouTube or Twitch.
Twitch,
If I had a better computer.
And you know what you need for a better
You
computer?
just need to upgrade your computer.
Yeah. No, you have half a good computer. You need to upgrade the other half. It can be anywhere as cheap as $300 up to $500. $500 will get you an amazing system.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel so we can have the money to buy the parts for his computer to make better videos with.
Yeah. That would be a lifesaver.
If we get 1,000 views, we'll do it live. PC build.
There you go.
Yeah.
You can build your own computer.
I basically have all the hardware.
Awesome. See?
Look, I got the ball and mic. I got a camera back there.
Hey, that distracted me from all the pain.
It helps, right?
And I also finished Slash 2.
There's one left.
No.
Come on.
No, you good?
I'm definitely good.
Alright.
Plus, I'm full.
Now you
I
gotta
my teeth hurt from the ice.
tell YouTube goodbye.
That was it.
Goodbye.